attention, we found that one astra to take us into orgasm verse. But with all the different shapes, sizes, textures, and features, using one feels more complicated than the Harry Styles and Florence Pugh drama. But don't worry, darling, we are here to break it all down for you. Butterfly Flyaway. Like Ariana G, switching up positions is the first step to nailing your vibrator game. A good starting point would be the butterfly position. So spread those legs and say hi to the mystical, magical pulses of your vibrator. Some other positions to try could be getting on all fours, on your knees, or lying on your tummy. The mad angles. Move over Karan Johar because we are going to find your best angle too. It could be riding your wand vibrator, tracing it across your erogenous zones, or even teasing yourself near your genitals right before you reach your orgasm. Rabbit vibrator. Unlike Ranbir in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, this bunny won't leave you hanging. Just like a lock and key, place the rabbit ears right over your clitoris for the perfect mila. And if you've got a long-ended dildo with it, slide it gently inside your vagina and get that car running. Drop a bunny emoji in the comments if this sounds like your thing. Explore, explore, explore. Dora the Explorer was always up for an adventure, and you should be too. The vibrator is your go-to travel buddy on this highway to all your erogenous zones. Try finding some unexpected sweet spots when you use the vibrator. They could be your armpits, nipples, neck, or even your toes. The Bullet Express. Bullet vibrators are small, sleek, and like desi chemists, very discreet. So use this chota packet on your clit for a bada dhamaka. In circles, up and down, and even side to side. Mood banao mood. Damon and Rhaenyra might get it on in the wildest of places, but that might not be true for everyone. So find out what gets your panties in a bunch, be it some wild Sherlock fanfic or a sultry playlist with all of the weekend's hits. Comfort is key. Finding your pleasure points can be like matching your foundation shades. You never get the right one without some trial and error. So switch up things a little. And if it just doesn't work, put your fingers to the task, if you know what we mean. If you found these tips useful so far, don't forget to hit our sweet spot, the red subscribe button. Play around with intensity. Thoda upar, thoda niche. That's a nice way to experiment with the speed settings of your vibrator. A good rule of thumb is to start out slow and then test your limits. So now that you know where to start, here is some Badi Didi wala gyan. Always keep your vibrator clean and sanitized. And if you want to keep things slick and smooth, then a lube's your way to go. And finally, go through the instruction manual in detail. Because just like the queen's casting in The Crown, they're not all the same. If this sounds like your vibe, then go for it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vitamins 3.